Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your credit card to Rover. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your credit card to Rover. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's log on to our Rover app. Next, click on More on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Payments. Then go ahead and click on Add or Modify a Payment Method. Next, click on Add New Card. And then this is where you can enter your credit card details, such as the name, card number, expiration, address. Afterwards, just click on Save, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add your credit card to the Rover app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.